Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. You may have people saying to you, you're addicted. You're addicted to sugar. You're addicted to overeating. You are addicted to alcohol. Or, can't you kick your drug habit? What's your problem? Or, you're addicted to work. You're a workaholic. All these things are natural. They're just simple solutions for most people based on our childhoods. Most of us grew up with ACEs, adverse childhood experiences, traumas, things that happen to us in childhood that create stress, put us in a state of, we're like in PTSD from our own childhood that never releases. So we're just dealing with it. We are eating to try and zone out some from being super stressed, or using alcohol or drugs or working too much or whatever. Eating loads of sugar to blast ourselves out into a sugar coma after. We're just trying to get some relief here. So it's natural. The great thing is that by simply doing TAT about these things that happen to us, especially in childhood, everything from being neglected, emotionally abused, sexually abused, bullied, abandoned, all the things that happen, especially in childhood, by addressing those just one subject at a time, one category at a time, those impressions in our physical body, in our emotions, in our, you could say, spiritual heart, transform, and we actually become calm. We're not driven by those things. So that once the stress and pain and all the stress hormones like cortisol are not just driving us crazy and stressing us out all the time, we just naturally don't have the inner need to self-medicate. It's almost unbelievable. So if you do have a thought like, that is not believable, then just do TAT with your attention on that thought. That is not believable. I've been addicted to this my whole life. You can't tell me that that can change with TAT. So you can put your attention on that, and then the opposite, almost opposite, which is just, it's possible, even though I've been addicted to that, and doing that behavior and that activity, and having things kind of fall apart because I'm self-medicating, it's possible that TAT could actually change that. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.